What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Johannesburg, South Africa. Hope everybody's doing well. Got my hair cut, skin fade, trim the beard, looking fresh. All right. So we're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. We're going to go over Elliott wave theory from the bear market of 2018 going into the bull run of 2019, 2020. And we're going to go over why I do believe that Elliott wave theory is bringing us down to that 22k price target. So currently we're sitting at 29,978, up about 1.6 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 566 billion, 24-hour volume 29.08 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of their incredible Visa cards, cashback and crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's start here on the daily time frame. So this is our bear market of 2018. Now with Elliott wave theory, it comprises of 5 waves, 3 impulsive waves and 2 corrective waves. I will leave a link to an incredible video in the bio if you want to check out Elliott wave theory if you're new to it. I'm not going to go too deep into it just because it's quite a bit to explain, but the video is very in-depth, so you can check it out. It will be linked in the bio. So I do believe this was your first impulsive wave. Now your second corrective wave can retrace up to 99% of wave 1, but it cannot break the wave 1 low. And you can see we retraced about, looks like around 95%. And then we began our massive wave 3, had our corrective wave 4, and our final wave 5. And I do believe we went through an ABC correction. As you can see, we came down, made our A wave, had our corrective wave B and our final wave C down to bring us down to the summer lows. And once again, we got started with our Elliott wave theory and went back into a bull trend. I do believe this was the wave 1. We had the wave 2 correction, the massive wave 3, corrective wave 4, and you can see the ABCs within these waves. ABC correction right here, and then we had our last wave 5. We went through a small ABC. If I open this up here, you can see we had a small ABC correction, and now I do believe we are going through a 5-wave sequence to the downside. You have wave 1, your corrective wave 2, massive wave 3, corrective wave 4. As you can see, we put in a beautiful ABC. You have your A, B, C correction, and then your final wave 5 bring you down to that 22k price target. And within each wave is 5 smaller waves. So as you can see here, as I've been covering on the channel, I do think this was your wave 1, your corrective wave 2, your large wave 3, and right now we're going through our corrective wave 4. And the wave 4 correction tends to be range bound. It tends to have many fake outs, and traders tend to lose money during that range. It's very difficult to trade. It's all mentioned in the video, which I will be linking in the bio. Definitely highly recommend watching it. And that's exactly what we've been going through. We've been extremely range bound. We've had fake outs. If I zoom in here, I'm going to pop it over to the 4-hour time frame so everything is more visible. And I'm just going to open it up. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. So as you can see, we've been extremely range bound. We've had fake outs, we've had bull traps, we've had wicks down where it looks like we might break that low and we pushed back up. And I do think we're going to see another bull trap once again today as we have broken out. If I zoom in here on the 1-hour time frame, we once again broke out of our descending triangle. And I do think when New York starts trading, which is 2 o'clock my time in a couple hours here, they will push the price back down. I could be wrong. I have been mentioning the fact that we could see that wave 4 all the way up to 33 to 34k, the wave 4 correction, but I don't believe it's likely. As you can see, we've been extremely range bound. We've had our fake outs, so we're doing exactly what a typical wave 4 does during a wave 4 correction. I think we're looking for that final wave 5 down to 22k, and the confluence that we're coming down to 22k is exactly what I've been mentioning in all my videos. Is it lines up with the 200-week moving average, which we've come down in each and every bear market. As you can see, 200-week, scroll all the way back to 2015, 200-week moving average, and once again we're on our way down to the 200-week moving average. It's also the technical target of this head and shoulders. And if I pop back open to this chart here and I just open it up and I measure the wave 1, often the wave 1 will be the same length as the wave 5. So what we can do here is take that measurement of our wave 1, and this is all within the larger wave 5, so don't forget that. Now it isn't always the same length, but as you can see here, if I take it to wave 4 and I straighten it out, it basically takes you right down to that 22 to 24k range. So we have quite a bit of confluence that this is our wave 4. We are range bound, we're having fake outs, and we're waiting for that final wave 5 down to 22 to 24,000 in my opinion. Best case scenario, you push up to 33 to 34k, have a higher wave 4 correction before finally breaking down, but I think it's the less likely scenario. As of right now, we're in a bearish descending triangle. We're range bound, we've had a fake out, and I do believe we're going to have another fake out once again when New York begins trading. So if we zoom into the 30-minute time frame and I open this up, you can see we broke out and we've rolled over and we've actually fallen back into the pattern. As you can see, if I scroll back, we wicked up right there to the level of resistance. If we scroll back here with our descending triangle, you can see resistance right here and all the way back to the beginning of the pattern here. See all the resistance in this area. So it looks like, once again, in my opinion, that we will see a fake out and we'll fall back down into the pattern, come back down to test 29.2 and quite possibly 28.7. Once this resistance breaks, I will be looking to take some larger short trades down to those 22 to 24k levels. Of course, I'll probably take profits along the way. We've been making some juicy trades with the trade signals here. Even though we are going through this wave 4 correction, we shorted Phantom yesterday, made some juicy profits, as well as Bitcoin we've been shorting, and we've been making some juicy profits with Matic as well. It comes in at the $10 membership, and you can sign up through the Discord. So there's just a small update today. If we were to push to the upside, just watch for a potential double top. Could still lead to a fake out. If we broke this high and we came up and broke about 30.6k, this previous high, then you could see a push up to about 31.1. Let me pull this down. There is major resistance around that 31k level, but I think the bear trap, or sorry guys, I think the bull trap is a little bit more likely, and New York pushes the price back down to 29.2 or 28.7, 28.7, 28.6. If that support is finally lost, then I do think you'll see that wave 5 down to 22 to 24k. I know the price action is a little bit boring even for me. I've been taking days off just to enjoy Johannesburg, to enjoy my travels as we go through this sideways consolidation, but I do think this is the corrective wave 4 and we're waiting for that final wave 5. And as I mentioned, best case scenario, a push to 33 to 34k and then see a rejection, but I think it's the less likely scenario. That's it for this one. I definitely recommend signing up to the Discord, and you can receive my exact entries, take profits, stop losses at the $10 membership. We also have a very simple method of trading, the DCA trade strategy, where you dollar cost average, buying equal amounts on the way down, bringing down your average price. It's fully explained in the Discord, and over 1,900 members, traders, investors, posting their chart patterns, posting their ideas, posting their trades. You really can't beat it. That's all coming in at $350, and my signals are coming in at the $10 membership. So that is it for this one. If you want to trade with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.